Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Steps Day 8. And so today, first of all, we get to celebrate because we made it a whole week. We're starting a new week, and we have been doing it. We've been working on our habits. Are we doing it perfectly? No. And do we have to? No. So celebrate. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of myself. And today, FlyLady talks about starting to build our control journal. So remember, I talked about our control journal last week and that it was going to be something that houses our routines and keeps us on track. And today we're going to start building that. So we're going to get a 3-ring binder, get a spiral notebook. Again, let's not be perfect about it, but let's just get it done. So today we're going to write down what our morning routine is and what our evening routine is. And this is going to be the beginning. This is going to be the beginning of us looking at those things every morning to be reminded of what our routine is. So I'm going to remind us now what we do in the morning, what we do in the before bed. So the morning routine is to get dressed to lace up shoes. The FlyLady says fix your hair and face. So if that's something you want to do that. Look at your post-it reminders in the kitchen and the bathroom. So remember, we wrote those post-its that have reminders for us to shine our sink in the evening and to get dressed to shoes in the morning. She says to read her emails. If you've signed up for the emails, then that's what you would do. Recognize the negative voices and change them. So remember, becoming more aware of the voices in our heads that are kind of telling us that we can't do this or making us doubt ourselves, and kind of translate those and reinterpret those to be something positive and that we can use to our advantage. And then put out hot spots for 2 minutes. So remember, we're using our timer and setting it for 2 minutes to clear off any surfaces, flat surfaces in our house that have accumulated clutter. So that's our whole morning routine. We're going to write that down, and then we're going to move on to our before bed routine. So before bed, we are keeping our sink shiny and clean. So that's cleaning it out, drying it off so that it's shiny, laying out our clothes for the next morning, going old school. We're going to have our clothes laid out and ready for us the next day, and put out another hot spot. And so again, setting that timer for 2 minutes, clearing off any surfaces so that when we wake up in the morning, there's just nothing to overwhelm us. No dishes in the sink, no cluttered surfaces. And I've really seen how, and I'm sure you guys have too, how having a lot of stuff out can really be overwhelming, can really feel like you're starting your day off at a deficit. And so I'm so proud of you guys for doing your routines this far, making it to this new week, hanging in there with me. And I've linked below to a calendar I created that has all of the 31 baby steps for you to follow along and print out. And subscribe to this channel if you want to keep getting notifications about when I'm posting videos, and follow along with these 31 days. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.